Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to tell you about warehouse jobs in Poland with complete work visa sponsorship. You can get your visa in as less as 7 to 15 days and the visa cost is just 80 euros, which is paid by your employer since it's a sponsored visa. You don't need IELTS or any other language test, and you don't need to evaluate your degrees or any other education qualification. In fact, you can get these warehouse jobs easily through just a high school education as well. There's going to be a career event that you can take part in online on Monday, the 23rd of September. There will be 55 employers that you can reach out to through this event, and they are currently offering you warehouse jobs in Poland. More about this event later in the video. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything about working in Poland, the salaries you'll be paid, popular cities for job seekers, the very important career fair that you can take part in online, the employers offering jobs, and the 26 positions they are hiring for, how you can register for it, and other popular ways on finding jobs in Poland as well. So do watch the video till the end. Hey guys, this is Jason from Dream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save their money and immigrate to new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all the process instructions for you to apply on your own through this channel. Subscribe now because all the information provided here is completely free, and answer all your queries in the comment section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow us there as well. You can even get in touch with us directly via WhatsApp on the number shared on the screen. Let's start with a bit about Poland. Poland is a Central European nation that has experienced significant economic growth and development in recent years. Its strategic location, skilled workforce, and a business-friendly environment have made it an attractive destination for foreign workers. Apart from unskilled jobs, sectors such as IT, manufacturing, logistics, and finance are experiencing high demand for skilled professionals as well, and salaries have been steadily increasing, especially in major cities like Warsaw and Krakow. Moreover, English is widely spoken in business and professional settings, making it easier for foreign workers to integrate into the job market. Coming to the salaries offered for warehouse jobs, the average salary for warehouse jobs in Poland can vary depending on factors like experience, location, and specific role. However, the annual average salary for a warehouse worker is around 36,000 Polish zloty, which is approximately 8,700 euros. A warehouse manager can make 60,000 zloty, which is approximately 14,500 euros. There are some key factors affecting your salary, like your location. Salaries in larger cities like Warsaw or Krakow tend to be higher than in smaller towns. More experienced workers can expect higher salaries. Warehouse managers and supervisors typically earn more than general warehouse workers, and larger companies often offer higher salaries and benefits. The average salary for roles other than warehousing jobs in Poland is around 8,040 Polish zloty per month, which is around 2,100 US dollars as of July 2024. Now we come to the popular cities for job seekers. The first city is Warsaw, Poland's capital and largest city, offering a wide range of job opportunities in various sectors. Krakow comes next, which is a historic city with a thriving cultural scene and a growing tech industry. Wrocław comes next, a university city with a strong IT and services sector. Łódź comes next, which is a major industrial center with a focus on textiles, logistics, and automotive industries. Now for the job fair this month. The name of this warehousing job fair is Wareops Poland, and the date for this is the 23rd of September, that's next week, between 9 am to 1 pm and 2 pm to 7 pm. You can participate for this career fair online. I've added a link to this page in the description box so you can register soon. As you can see, the date and time has been given here, and it shows that 55 employers from Poland are participating, and they will be offering warehouse jobs to candidates applying from anywhere in the world. As you can see here, there's absolutely no restrictions. If you scroll below, you will see that they are hiring candidates for 26 job positions, including warehouse associates, forklift operators, picker and packers, shipping and receiving clerks, quality control inspectors, warehouse supervisors, dock workers, packaging operators, warehouse workers, warehouse managers, warehouse technicians, stock controllers, equipment operators, shipping coordinators, warehouse automation specialists, pallet operators, and so many more. To register for this career fair, you'll have to just click on the Register Now button here, and you'll now have to fill in your details and tick on the Wareops Poland event for the 23rd September. As you scroll below, fill in your country of residence and citizenship, tick the languages you know, enter in your age, education, and work experience details, enter in your skills, your LinkedIn profile URL, and click on Yes for Do you need a work permit. As you can see, visas for non-EU candidates will be processed by the hiring company, so even overseas applicants can apply for these positions. You'll have to enter in your job title here and make sure that you only mention a job title from the 26 targeted warehouse positions I showed you earlier. Click yes for your Europass CV. If you don't know the correct format or keywords to be included, reach out to us and we'll create your personalized CV and cover letter for you at a nominal cost. After filling in your details, click on the privacy policy and click on register, and that's it, you're done. You'll get a confirmation on the email address you've registered with, along with instructions on participating in the event as well. Coming to other ways on finding jobs in Poland, the first way is through online job boards and recruitment agencies, starting with Polish job boards like Praca.pl, which is a popular Polish job board with a wide range of listings including warehouse positions. Gumtree comes next, which is another popular classified site where you might find warehouse job opportunities. Next, we come to international job boards like Indeed, which is a global job board with a Polish section, and LinkedIn, where you can connect with recruiters and companies in Poland. Coming to recruitment agencies, many recruitment agencies like Hayes, Devs Data, Medif, Manpower, and Randstad specialize in finding foreign workers jobs in Poland. You can search online for agencies that focus on warehouse positions. Next, you can even focus on networking and direct applications, starting with Polish language schools. If you're learning Polish, the school might have connections to local businesses and companies. You can even join relevant Facebook groups or LinkedIn communities to connect with people in the Polish job market. You can also research companies in Poland that have warehouses and apply directly to their HR departments, career or contact pages. Alright guys, so that was all about Poland's warehouse jobs. For more migration and travel tips, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for new updates. Thanks for watching and all the best for your application.